Now this is what I'm going to make it for an easy and healthy recipe for the strawberry banana ice cream. If I don't have any ice cream maker, what I can have with the over freeze bananas, I'm using about only for the two ingredients with the frozen strawberries and frozen bananas. Now here's what I'm going to do I'm starting out by peeling 4 large bananas. You're going to cut it into very nice bite-sized slices. Just when you're making sure, I'm going to use it with a clean plate. You can chop it any of the bite size of those bananas. If you can't, it is completely up to you. You're just going to place it into the resealable plastic baggie. You're going to snip it to close it. Make sure it's air sealed. Now I just already rinsed up those for the 16-ounce containers of fresh strawberries in cold water to wash. You're going to drain well, and we're going to remove the part of the leaves from the top. You're going to slice it in half. Place it into the resealable plastic baggie. Just snip it to close. We did the same as the bananas. Once that, you're going to put it both into the strawberries and bananas into the freezer until it will be solid. I do that for overnight for that next day for tomorrow morning or so on. So when it's ready to solid, you're going to take it out from the freezer. You're going to place both of those strawberries and bananas out of the baggie to pop it into the food processor, or you can easily use a blender. Because my food processor is not big enough, but I need to get something for a really strong good blade. This blender is really hard to take a long time to get this to crush over here, but the food processor will be much quicker. But anyway, you're going to begin to crush until puree. I'm just going to do that little by little as I put it into the mixing bowl. It doesn't get really chunks of size of that. I'm going to keep puree for it. You're going to place it into the mixing bowl, like I have it over. And you can might be sure just fold it into using with the rubber spatula. You can see I'm folding it. It just get really tension colors of those strawberries and bananas. You can see if this skins up those strawberries, you can go ahead and just bring it around with the metal spoons as long as you could. And once you're done that, to just fold it over. Now what I can pour it into a loaf pan that I just already line it, overlap it with some plastic wrap. You're gonna pour it over like I said before. And let me see what we got here. Just spread it around using with the back of the spoon, or you can also use an offset spatula if you can. Then you just want to cover it loosely with more of the plastic wrap on top, making sure to give this to a firm, or actually you can give it that a little extra seal loosely. Now you just want to return it back in the freezer. It will stay firm, and once that, you can stay firm afterward. I had to make sure to freeze it for next day for lay that on. I did it only for overnight. Now once it's almost firm, you can ready to scoop it in. I can give it a little size of the ice cream scoopers for, I'm quite sure what size of the ice cream scooper that I'm going to serve for. I'm just going to put it into the dessert bowl or any of the regular bowls or the cereal bowls. I'm going to show you what a close-up of those beautifully ice cream. It's going to be might be easy one. Now when it's almost firm, like I said, always have to cover it back loosely and put it back in the freezer for later that day. And here's the finished strawberry banana ice cream. Now if you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view all videos you watch before sharing. Give it a big thumbs up for anyone. As always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.